Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I'm going to show you to find apps you have uninstalled in the past, and of course this is for Android tablets. If you have an Android device such as a phone as well, it will still apply as the procedure is the same. So this is a Google Android tablet, so it does use the Google Play Store. So just in case you have your tablets, for example, and let's say for example over time you have installed and uninstalled apps, but there's a particular app that you need to find, but you can't find it because you do not remember the name or you don't remember the details about it. I'll show you to find it. All right, so first of all, go ahead guys, and you're going to select the Play Store. So go ahead and launch the Google Play Store. Make sure you have internet, and of course you can see this familiar setup. So you're going to tap on your user profile. Now your user profile should be up in the upper right section. As you can see there, there should be an initial indicating your user profile. So I'm going to tap here. So let me go ahead and tap. Sorry about that. Okay, there you go. So here we go guys, and of course it's gonna show here the information, and you can see my profile, and from here I'm gonna go over to manage app and devices. Once you're under manage app or devices, I'll try to keep this as clean as possible. You'll see a tab where it says overview. You're gonna go ahead and tap on manage. Now it's gonna load, and you can see apps here, and these are apps most likely on your device. Right where it says this device, the first tab, you're gonna tap there, and you're gonna say not installed. So you're gonna select not installed. Now this here will show me that I have several apps here that are not installed, meaning they were at some point installed, but they're not installed anymore. And all you gotta do from here guys is search through the list, and over time you should be able to find the apps. If you have had your account for a while and uninstall a lot of stuff, your list will be greatly populated. So what you're gonna see here is all the apps that you can install or what you have recently uninstalled. So go through and you can find older apps. If you go back to the normal list, which is this device, it will show you as well the apps that are all currently usually on the device. But for, as I said, for apps that you have uninstalled, go to not install and go ahead, and if you find an app, you can actually select that app, and then of course you can hit the download option and it will download that app and reinstall it on your device. You can exit at any time, and of course you'll be able to find the app, which will appear on your install apps once you do that. Hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.